This is Ercan Keresteci. I'm a principal architect at Microsoft. In this session, I'm going to talk about Azure IoT overview. We are seeing that the world is getting connected every single day, and it's getting even more connected. Let's talk about ways that you can capture the benefits of this connectivity for your business with the Internet of Things on Azure. The Internet of Things, IoT, is an enabling technology for businesses to evolve their operations, products, and how they interact with customers. By connecting devices and collecting data, it becomes possible to analyze the information to create new insights. With IoT solutions, everyday things that can be IoT enabled, such as office buildings, washing machines, elevators, or vending machines, allowing companies to make improvements to their businesses, from increasing operational efficiency to delivering better customer experiences and new revenue streams. Leaders in digital transformation generate an average of $100 million or more in operating income each year, according to research by Keystone Strategy. And today, one of the major drivers of digital transformation is the Internet of Things, or IoT. IoT adoption is growing by the minute. The premise of digital transformation enabled by IoT and the increased accessibility of smart connected technology means that IoT is an increasingly lucrative and necessary investment for companies across industries. With the growth of the technology comes an imperative, though: embrace IoT or be left behind. Innovators and early adopters represent about 15% of the market and pursue the newest technology available. This part of the market embraced IoT quickly and are reaping the benefits. The other 85% of the market, the mainstream, are taking notice. IoT is increasingly becoming available for members of the mainstream who want complete solutions and convenience. The proliferation of IoT offers tremendous opportunity both to dramatically improve existing processes and to create new business models and revenue streams. However, IoT projects are complex. Nearly 70% of IoT, or implicitly IoT initiatives, fail at the proof of concept stage. Adoption expectations have dampened current penetration, and ramp up is slower than expected. In spite of the clear promise, IoT implementation has been a hurdle for many businesses. Some of the key barriers to IoT implementation include security, complexity, IT-OT integration. So with security, with so many new devices deployed on the edge, IoT poses unique security, privacy, and compliance challenges. With complexity, depending on the degree of complexity required, IoT implementation requires 10 to 15 specialized skill sets. For companies that are new to IoT, this could require hiring a whole new department of specialists. On the IT-OT integration side, IT-OT have long remained autonomous functions with robust data boundaries between them. The volume and variety of data generated by sensors, actuators, and gateways on the OT side are often huge and stored in silos, leading to problems in analysis, storage, and monitoring from IT and business functions. With Azure, we help you digitally transform better than anybody. With a productive approach, Azure maximizes developer productivity. It's secure and well managed for IT. With hybrid, Azure is the only consistent hybrid cloud, and stack and extension to Azure ensures the cloud exists wherever you are. With intelligent, Azure offers artificial intelligence for every developer and scenario, plus comprehensive deep learning and machine learning as a service. Trusted, we have more certifications than any other cloud provider with 42 cloud regions. Our Azure Security Center protects you and your business. Let's take a deeper look. IoT enables business transformation with technology being the enabler. But IoT is complex, as we said before. So Microsoft is focused on solving the hardest part so you can stay focused on your business and your customers. As for the productivity proof points, you can deploy in minutes, for instance. With SaaS-based solution built on top of Azure services, we help you get deployed in minutes. We have taken care of the hardest parts of the IoT, so you don't have to. As one customer recently said, If we were to build our own service that was as secure, robust, and scalable as Azure IoT, we would have greatly delayed the launch. Azure does the heavy lifting so we can focus on developing new products. Skills you may already have, and also the open source innovation also increases your productivity. With an open and flexible offering, we support any device, any operating system, and any software platform. Leverage what you have by using the tools and languages and skills you prefer. Create the IoT solutions that meet your unique needs. Find our solutions on GitHub and take advantage of the built-in best practices and patterns. We are the largest contributors to the Opc Foundation, the interoperability standard for the secure and reliable exchange of data in the industrial automation space. Azure IoT provides OPC support to connect and gain insights from legacy manufacturing environments. Integrate your existing business systems such as SAP, Salesforce, and Dynamics with your Azure IoT solution to get a complete view of what's happening and improve processes across your organization. Solutions partner solutions. With a large ecosystem of partners, including a wide range of ISVs with vertical solutions, you can find the expertise you need to move your IoT project forward quickly. And Azure Marketplace is a tremendous opportunity for you to deploy or present your solutions as well as find important solutions. Azure IoT as a hybrid. The next evolution in computing is the intelligent edge. The intelligent edge bridges the digital and real world, enabling you to deliver a seamless experience and compute capabilities wherever your data exists, in the cloud or offline. The intelligent edge is one way hybrid solutions show up in IoT. Edge is a computing technology and a topology where information processing is placed close to the things or people that produce and consume that information. You can connect devices, operating systems, and protocols you already use. You can leverage the devices you already have, including legacy devices that are not yet IoT enabled. By connecting devices, you can collect, analyze, gain insights, and from untapped data that can be used to improve your businesses and operations. You can deploy the logic to the edge. The shift to AI is all about data, and data has gravity, pulling computational power toward the individual devices. They are powering advanced ways to see, listen, reason, and predict without constant connectivity to the cloud. You can connect only when needed. With hybrid IoT solutions powered by intelligent edge devices, reduce latency of decisions at the device, reduce the amount of data you're sending to the cloud, therefore the bandwidth costs, and increase privacy and security of IoT-enabled devices on the edge. Azure IoT being intelligent. IoT creates new insights and new intelligence across an organization through the capture and analysis of untapped data. These new data sources can also be combined with other organizational data and business systems to get a complete view of what's happening. New data and insights create new opportunities for intelligent decisions and actions across your organization. You can create an intelligent analytics to predict future outcomes. By capturing and analyzing IoT device data, new possibilities are created. Future outcomes can be predicted and addressed before they become problems. For example, predictive maintenance could be used to address a factory machine that might be exhibiting higher than normal variances but has not yet failed. Instead of waiting for the machine to break down, maintenance can be scheduled at a time that minimizes disruption and downtime. You can build special and edge intelligence into your solution. Intelligence can also be used in your IoT solution to lighting up new scenarios. For example, by building special intelligence into your solution so you can track and can map important assets, such as a fleet of trucks, enabling better asset management. Explore and analyze real-time and time series data. Find actionable insights in your IoT data by exploring and analyzing over time. See patterns and trends emerge that may not have been apparent before. Azure IoT is being trusted. When you're connecting important devices, sensors, and other assets, you need to be confident that these assets will remain secure. Securely provision and manage your IoT devices from anywhere. Stay in control of your data and device with secure and automated device provisioning that can scale across billions of devices. Build on proven enterprise-ready IoT solutions. Only Microsoft has the enterprise experience and offerings you need to innovate and build an IoT solution for success of your business. You can leverage built-in security features and best practices. Securing your IT is always a concern, but with connected devices and assets, you also need to think about securing your operational technology, OT. Azure IoT helps you maintain the integrity and security of devices and your data so you can have a peace of mind. Just to give you an example about the security efforts on the Azure IoT side, let's talk about Azure Sphere. I'm pleased to tell a little bit more about Azure Sphere. It is an end-to-end solution for creating highly secured connected microcontroller unit devices, MCUs. The Azure Sphere platform consists of three elements. The first element of the Azure Sphere platform is a new class of secured MCUs. This new class of MCUs from our silicon partners offer built-in connectivity, powerful crossover processors, and Microsoft security technology to provide secured hardware. The second element of Azure Sphere platform is a secured operating system. This new highly secured operating system is purpose-built to use in IoT devices, combine the best of Microsoft and open source technologies to create a trustworthy platform for new IoT experiences. The third element of the Azure Sphere platform is a cloud service. This Azure Sphere security service guards every Azure Sphere device. It provides each Azure Sphere device with ongoing security support in the form of software updates, ecosystem-wide detection of emerging security threats, and certificate-based brokering of trust for device-to-device and device-to-cloud communication. Working in concert, Azure Sphere certified MCUs, the Azure Sphere OS, and the Azure Sphere security service create an end-to-end solution for creating highly secured and connected MCU devices. Go ahead and get started today. If you're looking to use an IoT solution, you can use managed and industry-specific solutions to get started quickly and easily. Go and look at Azure Marketplace for that. If you're ready to build new IoT solutions, then you can find everything you need to develop an advanced IoT apps using familiar languages and tools. Go and search it on the Azure platform. You can go to azure.com/IoT. You can skill up at the IoT school, or you can select a partner, or you can contact us directly. Thank you so much for your time today, and please stay safe and healthy.